Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make PowerPoint loop. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up this PowerPoint application on your PC. You can do this by going into this search tab here basically, and then from here you can basically open up this PowerPoint. Okay, and after this basically what is a loop? So loop means that if you want your PowerPoint presentation to play in a loop, okay, like when first time your PowerPoint presentation is over, then it will start again by itself, okay, and it will continue to do so. So the first thing you need to do is basically you will go into this slideshow tab here, and then click on this setup slideshow option. Just click on this one, and then from here basically you will check this option on where it says loop continuously until escape. Okay, so what this will do is that your presentation will repeat itself, okay, in the loop until you press escape from your keyboard, and then you will click on OK here, and now your presentation basically will run in the loop until you press escape. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.